Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth and I run Elizabeth's Adventures YouTube channel and I live in Vancouver, BC. Normally we have nice weather over the holidays, but this year we've had snow, so we don't even feel like gardening these days. But anyway, the Hickory Croft Farm and Lori's World, they are doing the Canadian Seed Swap Challenge, which we did last year. And I participated in it last year, and it was a lot of fun. Got seeds from people all over across Canada, and we sent seeds. So this year, I'm going to participate in it. Now, my husband, Roy, and I were both in, we both use wheelchairs, so we have 2 raised beds, and we belong to a gardening group. It's called the Disabled Independent Garden Association, and they run here in the lower mainland of BC. So, and they help us with the beds. But so this year, or last year, we grew Cougar Melons, and we had a few to eat, and they were really tasty and really nice. We're going to try growing some black radish again. We've had grown them the last couple of years, and they were really good. We'd also like to grow some Dinosaur Kale. Last year I grew regular kale, and that plant, I would swear, was almost 6 feet tall. It was pretty tall. It was so tall that when it came time to cut it down, we couldn't really, we had problems cutting it down. My friend had to almost get on a ladder and do it, but she didn't have a ladder with her that day. We want to try some yellow zucchini. I know when I grew up in the farm, which I'm from Ontario, so I lived different areas of Canada. I'm in southern Ontario. So we grew yellow zucchini, so we'd like to try that. And we'd also like to try some flowers. Last year in our garden bed, we didn't have many flowers. The only flowers we had was some seeds from Shed Wars, which is a member of Lori's World Hollyhock, and they didn't flower last year, so it'll be interested to see what they're this year. So I'd like to maybe try some straw flowers this year. So here is my entry video for the Canadian Seed Challenge 2022, and it's going to be fun again this year. So take care, everyone, and have a good day.